In 2021, more than $7 trillion worth of property was stolen from homes. And what may surprise you is what time of day your house is most vulnerable. Most burglaries happen during the day, between 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. when children are at school and adults are at work. Reports show that 45% of burglars use a first-floor window or door to make entry into a home. Americans spend more than $20 billion annually on security systems to protect themselves and their property. Why not invest in something that can pull double duty? Impact Windows and Doors have proven to be a good investment by helping to reduce insurance premiums and increase your home's value. PGT WinGuard impact-resistant windows and doors offer premium products that deliver significant theft deterrence and protection from severe weather, and as an added bonus, improve sound dampening.
No one takes care of you like a neighbor. Call to get a free estimate today.